Redwire's chairman and chief executive officer, Peter Canito, will present at the H.C. Wainwright 27th Annual Global Investment Conference on September 9th. Redwire is emerging as a critical player in the space economy, evolving from a niche space infrastructure provider into a multidisciplinary aerospace and defense company. Its portfolio spans various areas, including solar arrays, navigation systems, robotics, and in-space manufacturing. One of Redwire's standout programs is SabreSat, a DARPA-backed VLEO satellite capable of harvesting atmospheric gases for fuel. The company is also pioneering biotech research in orbit through its PLBox platform, which enables protein crystallization in microgravity, a process critical for next-generation drug development. Redwire has collaborations with prominent companies such as Eli Lilly, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Exceesa Libero Pharma, underscoring the commercial promise of this technology. The acquisition of Edge Autonomy in January 2025 has broadened Redwire's capabilities beyond space into unmanned aerial systems and autonomous defense technologies, strengthening its positioning in high-growth markets like ISR and missile defense. Redwire has also expressed interest in the U.S. Department of Defense's $27 billion Golden Dome missile defense architecture, potentially opening new revenue streams in national security. Back on Earth, Energy Fuels is gradually positioning itself as a leading force in U.S. uranium production, with strong operational momentum across its portfolio of conventional mines. In the second quarter of 2025, the company produced approximately 665,000 pounds of uranium from its Pinyon Plain, La Salle, and Pandora mines, a significant increase from the 115,000 pounds mined in the first quarter. This production ramp-up is driven by exceptional performance at Pinyon Plain. Based on year-to-date production of 780,000 pounds, Energy Fuels expects to produce 875,000 to 1,435,000 pounds of contained uranium from these mines in 2025. The company also plans to purchase uranium ore from third-party miners and alternate feed materials, which could add around 160,000 to 200,000 pounds of additional contained uranium in ore inventories. Processing activity will ramp up in the fourth quarter, with total uranium production projected at 700,000 to 1 million pounds of finished uranium for 2025. Energy Fuels is also working to ensure that its other uranium projects, such as the Whirlwind Mine and Nichols Ranch ISR project, are capable of producing within a year of a go decision, which could lift annual production to more than 2 million pounds by 2026. In addition to its uranium business, Energy Fuels has been making strides in the rare earth sector. The company owns the only processing plant in the U.S. capable of processing monazite into rare earth element oxides. Energy Fuels recently signed a new supply agreement with a domestic manufacturer of rare earth magnets and inked a memorandum of understanding with Vulcan Elements to supply its high-purity rare earth element oxides. This agreement will create an entirely U.S.-based, closed-loop supply chain for rare earth products, from mining to processing to magnet production. The recent surge in rare earth prices to two-year highs, combined with Energy Fuels' partnerships and production capabilities, as well as its diversified business model, with exposure to both uranium and rare earths, positions it as a key domestic mineral supplier to watch in the years ahead. Meanwhile, Flux Power and Everest will be attending the International GSC Expo 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada, from September 16th to 18th, to showcase their integrated energy management solutions for ground support equipment, GSE. The companies will demonstrate how their combined lithium-ion battery and energy management software solutions can deliver higher performance, lower operating costs, and reduced environmental impact for GSE fleets. The International GSE Expo is a premier event for the global ground support equipment industry, bringing together manufacturers, suppliers, and service providers to showcase innovations driving operational efficiency, safety, and sustainability on the tarmac. Flux Power's Chief Revenue Officer, Kelly Fry, emphasized that the aviation industry is accelerating its transition to cleaner, smarter, and more reliable ground operations. The companies will showcase several products, including the M24, G8420, and G964P, as well as a demonstration of the SkyEMS 2.0 platform, a next-generation energy management solution featuring real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and fleet-wide optimization. Averus Director of Global Sales and Marketing, Mike Hull, added that the Sky EMS platform provides operators with unprecedented visibility into fleet performance, charging behavior, and maintenance needs, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions that maximize uptime, extend asset life, and reduce operating costs. Then not too long ago, Coherent debuted its Edge FL30 fiber laser, a 30-kilowatt laser source engineered for metal cutting applications. The Edge FL30 delivers unmatched performance in thick sheet cutting with exceptional brightness transmitted through a 100 micrometer beam delivery fiber. The laser features proven back reflection resilience, which significantly reduces loss of cut or process instability, ensuring maximum uptime and consistent results. The system architecture leverages the latest generation FPGA-controlled Edge FL modules, offering robust performance, built-in redundancy, and field-replaceable options. Coherent will showcase the Edge FL30 at FabTech 2025 in Chicago. Coherent also announced its membership in the Diode Technology Working Group within the Starfire Hub, a collaborative initiative led by Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory to accelerate the development of inertial fusion energy. Beck Mason, Executive Vice President of Semiconductor Devices at Coherent, emphasized the company's excitement about joining the working group and contributing its expertise to this transformative effort. The Starfire project is supported by the U.S. Department of Energy and serves as a key driver in establishing the technical foundation for future commercial fusion systems. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.